What's up, fellows? My name is from Techy Pizza, and today I'm going to tell you how to add a watermark in your videos. So let's spread technology. First, go to your desired browser. I am using Google Chrome to do add a watermark. So first, go to YouTube like this. Sorry. Now open my channel. See here. Click this. Oops, sign in. Okay, sorry. Let me sign in. Oops, bug. Bad bug. So now go to video manager. See, you can hear. Now as you can see, this is YouTube Studio beta, but we don't need beta. We need classic one. So we have to click here, Creator Studio Classic. Click this, add a region, add anything, submit. Anything you will add will redirect you to the classic video manager. So now the next step is to go to channel. See here, click it. Now as we are in the channel column, come in the branding. Click this branding. See, as I am removing my watermark, it takes time. Okay, so it is deleted successfully. So see, it is branding and branding watermark, a channel branding element to overlay on your videos. So to add a watermark, click on add a watermark. See, it's the upload a watermark window. So now choose file. Its maximum file size should be 1 MB. It should be PNG or GIF only. So choose file. Now select the picture you want to. I have to use this. So it's uploaded. We will see a preview here first. See, there's the preview one. So now save. Like you can see, it's my watermark here. In every video, it will be by default in the bottom right corner. So see display time. We can display the time in end of the video, means this logo will be in end of the video, in the start time only, or in the entire video. So to select it, just click this. See end of video, custom start time, entire video. So if you do this, you have to add a start time. So I will do entire videos. So now do update. Okay, as you can see here, saved successfully. So this is saved successfully. It will not come in previous videos, it will come in the next videos you will upload. So stay tuned with this channel by subscribing this channel and pressing the bell notification. Please like this video and share it to your friends and the family